Oh shit, it's going.
Alright, let's start it.
Both the things we've accomplished so far are the funny things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, where's the thing?
Use your hand.
How about we just say we lost the microphone, we have to use this shoe for That'd be so fun. Ready? Wait, Oliver, no, we're using the shoe. Oliver, we're literally gonna use the shoe.
Alright.
Here, can I say it? Yo, my dad's here.
Okay.